This is parliamentary dictation at the speed of 60 words per minute. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready? Sir, I rise to support the bill brought forward by the Honorable Deputy Minister in the Ministry of Finance. Banking is a service of vital importance to industry, commerce and agriculture. It is concerned with the creation of credit money and its distribution between various users such as industry and agriculture or between institution and individuals. In fact, the smooth working of a modern economy depends on the proper regulation of credit with which the banks are concerned. The question, therefore, of recruitment of the personnel of banking institutions assumes great importance. The Banking Commission has recommended the establishment of such a commission in its report in 1972. In fact, government have been rather late in bringing forward this very important and necessary piece of legislation before nationalization. Some of the big commercial banks had made some arrangements of their own for recruitment of their staff. The Institute of Bank Management and the Reserve Bank of India through the Bankers Training College run some short term and long term courses for recruitment and training of bank staff, but these arrangements are not adequate even to meet the requirements for recruitment of higher cadres. The largest proportion of bank's staff consists of clerks and cashiers. The recruitment policies followed by most of the Indian banks before nationalization were not based on either scientific lines. In several cases, even minimum qualifications were not insisted upon. The Banking Commission has reported that in many cases people who had not even passed matriculation examination were recruited as clerks. There was no proper evaluation of the aptitude or capacity, and very often caste and relationship determined the choice of candidates. Lack of training facilities, however, aggravated the problem, and banks found themselves with staff which had neither aptitude nor ability to carry out the jobs assigned to them. The bill therefore is welcome. It seeks to provide for proper methods of selection for recruitment. It provides for the establishment of a body corporate to be called the Banking Service Commission. It shall be the duty of the Commission to hold competitive examinations to recruit people for clerical and allied cadres, junior officers, cadre, and such other officers, cadre as the central government may by notification specify it shall consist of a chairman and 8 persons who in the view of the government are men of integrity, ability and have experience of finance and business administration. Full stop.